In this video, I will show you step by step how you can start affiliate marketing as a beginner and start making commission using free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. Okay, so this will be an easy and quick tutorial for you guys step by step. So let's get started. So as you can see, I started affiliate marketing and I made $7,750 in commission just using free traffic without investing any money. Okay, I started this business from January 2024 until from one, okay, so almost 2 months, and until February 2024, 21 today, update, and I will update this page so you guys can make sure it's not fake. And as you can see, the numbers are still the same numbers, okay? So anyways, so for people who will ask why it's showing $0 in your balance, because I withdraw all my money to my PayPal account, okay? So if you started this business, when you will withdraw your money, it will show $0 in your balance. Okay. So for people who are new and they want to start making money with affiliate marketing for free without investing any money in paid ads, so what you need to do first, you need to go to Google, okay, and search for Fiverr like this. Click on the first link. You just need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr, okay? So you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down, keep scrolling down, go to community and click over here on affiliate, okay? And you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website as you can see, okay? So what you need to do next, you just need to click over here on join now, okay? And you will be directly in this sign up process page. And as you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate program is super easy and simple, okay? So you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type, make it private, okay? Scroll down, they will ask you few questions. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. So I will say no, and choose your country and choose your language over here. And if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. It's super easy. As you can see, anyone can sign up, okay? After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate, okay? So what you need to do next, you will go again to Google and you will search for Pinterest, okay? Because we will use Pinterest to promote our affiliate links and it's for free. Search for Pinterest, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. So you just need to use your email address. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest, okay? It's super easy. And make sure to open business account, okay, not personal account. You need to create Pinterest business account, okay? So after you finish, this will be your home page. So what you need to do next, you need to go back to your Fiverr home page, go back to Fiverr website like this, okay? And now I'm gonna share with you guys which affiliate link you need to start promoting on Pinterest as a beginner if you want to earn some commission, okay? So click on the search over here and search for Amazon ads, okay? Search for this service, okay? Search for Amazon ads, okay? Because a lot of people who has Amazon stores, they are using Pinterest to get more sales and to promote their Amazon products, okay? So those people who are using Pinterest to promote Amazon products, they will be interested to buy this service to increase sales and make more money, okay? And that's what you will do. You will promote this service on Pinterest so you can earn commission. You cannot promote any services. You need to choose specific services that people will be interested to buy, okay? So I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, top rated seller, seller level 1, seller level 2, sellers who has lots of reviews. If people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose, for example, okay, let me see. I will say, so this one for example has a lot of reviews, almost 5 star. This one is good. This one also is really good. This one has 5 star, a lot of reviews. He is top rated seller. I will click on his service. Just click on his service. Okay, you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this. What you need to do next, you need to copy his profile link. So just copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here like this. Okay, click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, what you need to do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest. Go to your Pinterest account, click on home feed like this, click on create pin. Okay, you will be directly in this page. So you need to upload a picture about this service. So what we will do, we will go back to this seller page on Fiverr and scroll down, and you should see over here about this gig, and you should see this picture about his service. Click on his picture. So this is a video, so we need just picture. So this is the picture. Double click, click on save image. Okay, and I will name it, for example, Amazon, like this. Go back to Pinterest, click over here and upload this picture to your Pinterest. Okay, this is the picture. Open, and here you go. Your picture will be uploaded like this. Scroll down, you need to put here title. Go back to this seller page on Fiverr and copy his title. Okay, you are just an affiliate marketer, you can use those information. That's what I do, and I will put this title here. Description, I will go back to this profile seller page on Fiverr. I will scroll down, so you should see over here about this gig. Click over here on more, and this is his description. Okay, I will copy this description. I will copy this part like this. I will go back to Pinterest. I will put this description here like this. Okay, I will scroll down. You need to put here your affiliate link. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here. Go back to Pinterest, put your affiliate link here. It's super easy. Scroll down, click on choose a board. So if you have a new account, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. You can create as many as you want. I already have a lot here. You will choose this one. Scroll down, you need to put here tags. Okay, go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr. Keep scrolling down like this, and just keep scrolling down. So you should see over here related tags. Okay, copy those keywords. Those keywords are very important. Okay, so make sure to use a lot of tags. Okay, like this. Go back to his profile page. I will copy this one, and I will go back to Pinterest. I will put this over here. I will go back and copy this one over here. Make sure to use all his keywords. Okay, after you finish, click on publish, and here you go. Your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest like this. Okay, this is your picture about your affiliate service. This is your affiliate link. This is your title, and this is your description. Okay, that's how you can start affiliate marketing for free using free traffic and starting with $0. You don't need to invest any money. You just need to join Fiverr affiliate program and start promoting affiliate links on Pinterest like this, and you can start making some commission. Okay, commission depending on your work. Okay, so if you stay consistent, you should see your first commission just in few months or even in few weeks. It's depending on your work. But if you have new Pinterest account, make sure to promote just between 1 and 2 affiliate links per day. If you start promoting a lot of affiliate links per day, your account will get banned. Okay, so make sure to You need to warm your account. Just between 1 and 2, it's enough, okay? And stay consistent. So also Pinterest, let me show you. Pinterest, so did you know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitor? Every month, 1 billion people are scrolling on Pinterest and visiting Pinterest. 1 billion monthly visitor. You can get so much traffic from Pinterest if you promote trending and interesting services that people are searching for, and you can make a lot of money. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.